for the UK #1 rhythmic gymnast, Frankie Jones! Did you enjoy it?
I did enjoy it. I've seen parts of my body I never knew existed.
I think most of us saw them as well.
Thank you.
Well, well done.
Thank you.
Just talk us through that.
Knees shot to pieces, pain in arm, beautiful young lady teaching us, and tried to emulate her, but what can you do?
Well, listen, well done tonight. Well done to the pair of you.
OK, it's time to find out what our audience here in the studio thought. Remember, use your buttons in front of you to vote for your favourite. Is it Karen from the Kenwoods or Shirley from the McDonald's? It's over to you. Push your buttons now!
OK, the audience have voted, and I can reveal that the winner, with 61% of the vote, is... Shirley!
£61% of the vote, Frankie. This is £6,100 you can take off the Kenwoods. All you got to do is push the button. Well, well done. Well done, the pair of you. Let's hear it one more time. Karen and Shirley! And let's see what that's done to the totals. Ronnie?
A wonderful performance by Karen and Shirley, but the Kenwoods are still in second place on £67,767. But in pole position, it's the McDonald's on £82,808.
Quite a lead now. Time before game 4. There are 2 players left on each team. So Mike and Kim from the Kenwoods and Lorraine and Joshua from the McDonald's come and join us for the final family face-off.
So, guys, your relationship is mum and son?
Yeah.
So what do you think it's going to be like then, Mike, working with your mum? Will you work well as a team?
Well, I think so, but I'm slightly nervous of her. That's the problem.
You're nervous of her?
I'm nervous, yeah. She only has to give me a glare and I get a little bit panicked. So
Still?
Even now, yeah.
How old are you?
25, yeah.
And you still get nervous?
Very much so.
What's the glare, Kim? Show us the glare. Oh, yeah, that's scary. Well, listen, the very best of luck. Don't shout at him too much, will you?
OK.
Don't embarrass him on the telly.
Okay.
Good luck tonight.
Now then, Joshua, Lorraine, we've got another mother and son combo. Will you work well as a team?
I hope so.
We can work well as a team.
Are you kind of the best team possible out of your family, do you think?
Probably the worst.
If anyone was to go together, I wouldn't have picked us, but...
Really?
Yeah, because he's 19 and he thinks he knows it all.
No.
And he's not learned yet that I know best. You see, it's not kicked in yet.
Well, listen, good luck.
Yeah.
All you've got to do is take it nice and steady, and you could be through facing Dave. Right, it's time to see our final game of the night. This is Build Like an Egyptian. Come with me.
For the final time tonight, here's Ronnie with the rules.
Pharaoh Decases and his beautiful wife, Antopatra, have ordered a huge pyramid to be built to preserve their legacy. The players must race to build the pyramid and then lift it onto its pedestal. Now, once the pyramid is in position, players can push the button to stop the catch countdown.
Thank you. See if you can guess who lost the coin toss and wardrobe this week.
Me. I wanted to be Cleopatra. OK, Mike and Kim, you are behind, so you have to do this quicker than the McDonald's to have any chance of going through to face Dave.
Lorraine, Joshua, if you finish your pyramid first, that's it, you're through to face Dave. But anything could still happen, just like it did last week when the Losers overtook the Russells in the final game. I feel stupid!
You look stupid.
I can't do either.
If your total falls as low as £25,000, then we will stop and you will have timed out. It's then up to your opponents to finish their pyramid before the same thing happens to them. OK, good luck to both teams. Let's get you in position. Fire your buttons, please.
Good luck, guys.
Your time will begin in 3, 2, 1. Push your buttons!
Keep talking to each other.
Come on, guys. Only you can stop your money counting down.
Do you know what? I really kind of like it.
Pictures at the front, remember. Pictures at the front. Guys, talk to each other here. Talk to each other.
That's it, Mike. Keep telling them where to go.
Lorraine, ask for help.
It can still be done. Both your toes are slipping here. So remember, this bit has to go to the front, yeah? Give us that. No, that's not right. It will only fit one way. It'll only fit one certain way. Go on, guys. The total's ticking down now.
Come on, Lorraine.
Totals are really, really ticking down now.
This one.
Which way? Remember, you'll time out if you get a £25,000. That's it. Move some bits around there. Have a look.